Hello, my dear friends. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Gradeup, India's largest online platform for all competitive examination. So, let me see how many of you are present there. So, tell me, guys, how many students have joined us? Okay, so we can start our session, guys. Today, as we know that today we are going to discuss a very important topic of biology, that is plant nutrition. Okay. Hello, Sumit Kumar. Good evening. Prabhat Kumar. Good evening. So, this topic is very important for your competitive examination, guys. Okay. A lot of questions have been asked from this topic. Okay. Hello, Vrish Gopiram. Hello. Good evening, Suresh Kumar. Good evening to all of you, my dear friends. Raghav Kumar, good evening. So as we can see that a lot of students are with us. Okay, so stay with us, guys. We are going to discuss a very important topic, that is plant nutrition, which is very important for all competitive examination, including RRB JE 2019. Saurav Shukla, welcome to Gradeup. Vishal Dutt, hello. So, okay, a lot of students are there. Okay, so we can start our session now. Okay. Yes, guys. So let us start with plant nutrition. If you talk about plant nutrition, then we can say that plants are autotrophic. Plants are autotrophic. Means plants make their own food. Plants are autotrophic means plants make their own food, plants synthesize their own food. Okay. Plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis. So the process of making of food by plants is known as photosynthesis. Plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis. Sumit Tapan, hello. Welcome. Welcome to Gradeup. Okay. Plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means to make. So plants make their food with the help of light and other raw materials. So this process is known as photosynthesis. So let us see the chemical equation of photosynthesis, guys. What is the meaning of photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? So plants absorb CO2 from atmosphere, carbon dioxide, and plants also absorb water from soil, and we need energy for making food. Plants receive energy from sunlight, and this sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll. This sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll. And using these raw materials, plants make their food, that is glucose, C6H12O6. This is glucose and this is the food of the plant. Also plant give us oxygen. So guys, this is the chemical equation of photosynthesis. Okay, this is the chemical equation of photosynthesis, guys. Okay. So here question asked from here is that what are the raw materials of photosynthesis or raw materials for photosynthesis? So we can write here raw materials for photosynthesis. So what is the requirement of photosynthesis? So plants requires CO2, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay. So these are the necessary conditions of photosynthesis. Okay. So these four things are required for photosynthesis or necessary for photosynthesis. Okay. Plants require CO2, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. So questions can be asked from here is that which of the following is necessary for photosynthesis? Number 1, CO2, water, chlorophyll, all of these. So answer is all of these. Okay. Yes, reverse reaction is known as respiration. Okay. Absolutely right. Plants use glucose and extra glucose is converted into starch. So plant uses glucose and extra glucose is converted into a starch and stored in leaves, vegetables and fruits. So question can be asked from here is that what is the stored food of plant? What is the stored food of plants? Then answer is starch. Stored food of plant is starch. But stored food of animals, is, question can also be asked from here is that stored food of animal is, options are, give me the correct answer guys. Stored food of animals, option number 1 starch, number 2 cellulose, number 3 glycogen, number 4 fat. What is the correct answer guys? As we know that stored food of plant is a starch, and if we talk about stored food of animals, then what is the stored food of animal? Starch, cellulose, glycogen, fat. Stored food of animals, fat. Saurav is saying fat, Sikandar Kumar is saying fat, Vishal Datta is saying glycogen. 1 Prabhat Kumar, absolutely correct answer, glycogen. So stored food of plants is starch, but stored food of animals is glycogen. Okay, so glycogen is the right answer guys. Okay. If glycogen is not in option, then answer will be fat. If both are in option, then answer is glycogen. So stored food of plants is starch and stored food of animals are glycogen, and this glycogen is stored in which part of animal body? glycogen is stored in which part of the body? So answer is glycogen is stored in liver. Glycogen is stored in liver. So stored food of plant is starch and it is stored in leaves, vegetables and fruits, and stored food of animals is glycogen and glycogen is stored in liver. Okay guys? So very important question guys. Yes, Saurav Sharma is saying liver, Gagandhar is saying liver, absolutely right answer guys. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now we will discuss about taste of, and one more point guys, stored food of animal is glycogen, therefore glycogen is also called animal starch. This is very important point guys. Glycogen is also known as animal starch because it is the stored food of animals. Okay, CBT1. So very important for your CBT1 exam guys. So glycogen is also known as animal starch. Now we will discuss about taste of starch. So question is, the taste of starch is done by, give me your responses guys. Taste of starch is done by, okay, taste of starch. So taste of starch is done by the answer is iodine. Iodine. Taste of starch is done by iodine. Yes, yes, iodine. Iodine taste. So a lot of students are saying iodine. Right answer guys. So taste of starch is done by iodine and it gives blue-black color. For example, if we cut a piece of potato and some drop of iodine poured on it, then it becomes blue-black color. This indicates that potato contains starch. Okay. So taste of starch is done by iodine. Okay. Now move on the topic guys. This is the chemical equation of photosynthesis. So the process of photosynthesis takes place in. Question is, the process of photosynthesis takes place in. What is the answer? The process of photosynthesis takes place in. Give me your responses guys. The process of photosynthesis takes place in plant cell. Plant cell. The process of photosynthesis takes place in plant cell. Suppose this is a plant cell. And we know that animal body or plant body is made up of small units called cell. So this is a plant cell. This is the nucleus of plant cell, and in plant cell chloroplasts are present. So plant cell contains chloroplast. Okay. The process of photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast of plant cells. The process of photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast of plant cell. Therefore, chloroplast is also known as kitchen of the cell. Kitchen of the cell. So the process of photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast of the plant cell. That's why chloroplast is also known as kitchen of the cell. So question can be asked from here is that which of the following cell organelle is known as plant's kitchen of the cell? So answer is chloroplast. We also know that the green color of plant is due to chloroplast. Green color of plant is due to chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast. Okay, Sikandar Kumar, absolutely correct answer. Green color of plant is due to chloroplast, but we also know that color is given by pigment. Without pigment, color is not possible. Okay, so chloroplast contains a green pigment. Chloroplast contains a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll gives green color to the chloroplast, and due to chloroplast, plants are green. Okay, so green color of plant is given by a pigment. What is chlorophyll? It is a pigment, green pigment. Okay, so green color of plant is due to a pigment chlorophyll. Due to presence of chlorophyll, chloroplasts are green, and due to this pigment, plants are green. Okay, our blood is red due to presence of a pigment called hemoglobin. Skin is black due to presence of pigment called melanin. So same here, chlorophyll is a green pigment due to which chloroplasts are green and plants are green. Question can be asked from here is that, and very famous question guys, you all know about it, which of the following metal is present in chloroplast? Which of the following metal is present in chloroplast? Give me your answer guys. Which of the following metal is present in chloroplast? Your options are guys magnesium, cobalt, iron, zinc. Which of the following metal is present in chlorophyll? Which of the following metal is present in chlorophyll? Your options are magnesium, cobalt, iron, zinc. Iron is the wrong answer. Magnesium, magnesium, magnesium. Yes, magnesium is the right answer. Potassium is not given in option guys. Magnesium 2+, yes. So right option is magnesium. So magnesium, chlorophyll contains a metal called magnesium. Chlorophyll contains a metal called magnesium. Okay, iron is present in hemoglobin. Okay, cobalt is present in vitamin B12. Okay, vitamin B12. Zinc is present in insulin, which is a hormone guys. Okay, so iron is present in hemoglobin, cobalt is present in vitamin B12, zinc is present in hemoglobin, and magnesium is present in chlorophyll. Okay, very important. Next question can be asked from here is that in the process of photosynthesis, which type of conversion takes place? Light energy is converted into mechanical energy, light energy is converted into chemical energy, light energy is converted into heat energy. What is the right answer guys? In the process of photosynthesis, light energy is converted into, so question is that in the process of photosynthesis, light energy is converted into mechanical energy, chemical energy, potential energy, kinetic energy. Okay, Give me your answer. So we can write here, in the process of photosynthesis, light energy is converted into chemical energy. So here sunlight, light energy is converted into chemical energy. Glucose is a chemical, guys. So in the process of photosynthesis, light energy is converted into chemical energy. Abhi Mehta is saying chemical energy. Yes, light energy is converted into chemical energy. Sikandar Kumar is saying yes, absolutely right. Singh Aditya, chemical energy. Okay, okay, very good, guys. Keep it up. Next question, guys, very important questions for your RRB JE CBT1. Okay, and very common question, guys. In the process of photosynthesis, oxygen released during photosynthesis comes from CO2 or water, because CO2 also contains oxygen, water also contains oxygen. Okay, so question is oxygen released during photosynthesis comes from water or CO2. Only two options. Oxygen released from photosynthesis comes from Gandhar, Pradhan. Okay, Prabhat is saying water. Saurav Sharma is saying water. Vijay Lakshmi, water. Okay, O2. No, O2 coming from Vijay Babu, leaves. Okay, so right answer is water. Oxygen. So we can say that oxygen released during photosynthesis comes from water. Okay, so water is the right answer, guys. Okay, CO2 is wrong answer, guys. Sumit Tapan, Jimmy Sharma, Singh Aditya, Sikandar Kumar is saying water is absolutely right answer, guys. Okay, next question, guys. So this is the very important point. Oxygen released during photosynthesis comes from water. Okay, next point, guys. Wavelength of light absorbed during photosynthesis. Is, what is the range of wavelength which are used in photosynthesis? So wavelength of light absorbed during photosynthesis is, what is the range of light? Okay, so wavelength of light absorbed during photosynthesis is visible light. Mahesh is saying visible light. Yes, but what is the range of wavelength of visible light? So it is 400 to 700 nanometer. Nm means, guys, nanometer. Okay, So question can be asked from here is that the wavelength of light absorbed during photosynthesis is, answer is 400 to 700 nanometer wavelength is used. Okay, okay guys, thank you Avinesh Kumar. Okay, 400 to 700 nanometer. Saurabh Sharma is saying yes. Shashank Dinkar 300 to 600 nanometer, no. Okay, okay guys, now rate of photosynthesis is maximum in, question can be asked from here is that also rate of photosynthesis is maximum in. Abhi Mehta, give me the correct answer please. Rate of photosynthesis is maximum in, okay, rate of photosynthesis is maximum in which color of light guys? Rate of photosynthesis is maximum in which color? So Gandhar Pradhan is saying red color. Okay, भाई हिंदी के लिए अलग से क्लास होगी, हिंदी के लिए हम सेम सेशन हिंदी में करेंगे. ये इंग्लिश मीडियम का बैच है तो इसमें इंग्लिश में हमें बोलना पड़ रहा है, लेकिन हिंदी के लिए सेम चीज हिंदी आरआरबी जेई का भी बैच शुरू हुआ है, उसमें हम लोग सिर्फ हिंदी में बात करेंगे. ओके गाइज, तो ये जो चीजें मैं यहाँ पे अभी पढ़ा रहा हूँ गाइज, वो फिर हम हिंदी में भी सेम चीज वही लेकर के आने वाले हैं. ओके ओके, सो रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस इज मैक्सिमम इन, आंसर इज रेड कलर. red color, rate of photosynthesis is maximum in red color. Okay, but if option in option white color is also given, then answer will be okay. Okay, सौरभ शर्मा एक शायरी, भाई अभी शायरी नहीं आ रही है. ओके, रेड कलर इज द राइट आंसर. ओके गाइज, ओके, बट प्रायोरिटी वाइज वी कैन गिव व्हाइट कलर. रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस इज मैक्सिमम इन व्हाइट कलर. इफ व्हाइट कलर इज नॉट इन ऑप्शन देन आंसर विल बी रेड कलर. ओके, if both are in option then you give priority to white color. So rate of photosynthesis is maximum in white color, then red color, because white light is a mixture of 7 colors guys. Okay, white light is a mixture of 7 colors. Yes, अविनाश कुमार जी वो दिन याद आ गए क्लास के. ओके ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. White color. Okay, now rate of photosynthesis is minimum in, rate of photosynthesis is minimum in which of the following color? Red color, violet color, green color. So rate of photosynthesis is minimum in, rate of photosynthesis is minimum in Jimmy Sharma BYJU'S. Yes, white color contains BYJU'S, all the 7 colors. Okay, so rate of photosynthesis is maximum in white color, otherwise in red color. But here question is rate of photosynthesis is minimum in, rate of photosynthesis is minimum is violet, green, red, yellow. What is the correct answer? Rate of photosynthesis is minimum in green color. Okay, absolutely right answer guys. Rate of photosynthesis is minimum in green color. Okay, green color of light. Okay, so next question guys, next question. Maximum photosynthesis is done by, maximum photosynthesis is done by Options are maximum photosynthesis is done by green, green, green. Yes, green is the absolutely right answer, guys. Jimmy Sharma is saying violet. Violet is wrong answer. Okay, green color is the right answer, guys. Now question is uh, maximum photosynthesis is done by, options are, guys, maximum photosynthesis is done by, options are, your options are plants, number 2 algae, option number 3 is blue green algae, BGA, that is blue green algae, and fungi. Give me the correct answer, please. Rate maximum photosynthesis is done by, maximum photosynthesis performed by plants, algae, blue green algae, fungi. Okay, Singh Aditya saying why, because chlorophyll is green color, and if we incident green color, then totally reflected back. Okay, algae, blue green algae, algae, plants, no. So maximum photosynthesis is done by algae. Okay, algae, then plants, so maximum photosynthesis is done by algae. Okay, yes, blue green algae is wrong answer, guys. Plant is also wrong answer. Right answer is algae. Okay, now we will discuss about heterotrophic plants. Heterotrophic plants. So as we know that, guys, plants are generally autotrophic, means they make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. But some plants are heterotrophic in nature. Heterotrophs are those plants which depends on other organisms for their food or nutrition. So some plants are heterotrophic in nature, very important. Now we will discuss about heterotrophic plants, guys. Heterotrophic plants means those plants which obtain their food from other organisms. Those plants which obtained their food from other organisms are known as heterotrophic plants. Okay, because algae, how? Because our earth is covered with water, 70% of earth is water, and it contains algae. Okay, so maximum photosynthesis is done by algae, guys. Okay, so heterotrophic plants, those plants which obtained their food from other organisms, are known as heterotrophic plants. And we also know that heterotrophic plants are of two types. So heterotrophic plants are of two types. One is parasitic plants. Parasitic plants. Okay, so question can be asked from here is that, guys, which of the following is a heterotrophic plants, or which of the following is a parasitic plant? Question is, which of the following is a parasitic plant? Options are number 1 Cuscuta, number 2 Teacher plant, number 3 Venus fly trap, number 4 Drosera. Question is, which of the following is a parasitic plant? Options are Cuscuta, pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, Drosera. Give me the correct answer, please. Okay. Sikandar Kumar, algae, yes. Ocean is the maximum source of oxygen. Absolutely right, guys. Now give me answer of this question, guys. Question is, which of the following is a parasitic plant? Options are Cuscuta, pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, Drosera. Okay. So answer Cuscuta, Venus flytrap, Cuscuta. Okay. Pitcher plant is the wrong answer, guys. Venus flytrap is also wrong answer. Right answer is Cuscuta. These three plants are insectivorous plants. It is also a heterotrophic plant, but these three are insectivorous plants. So, right answer is Cuscuta. So, example of parasitic plant is Cuscuta. In Hindi, it is called Amar Bel. Also, Amar Bel. Okay. It is also known as Amar Bel. So, very simple question is, which of the following is a parasitic plant? Answer is Cuscuta. But this question can also be asked like this: Cuscuta is a parasitic plant, stem parasite or root parasite? The question is, Cuscuta is a parasitic plant. It is a stem parasite or root parasite? It is a stem parasite or root parasite. Okay. Cuscuta is the right answer. But another question, guys, we all know that Cuscuta is a parasitic plant, but it is a stem parasite or root parasite? A stem parasite or root parasite? Okay. So answer is Cuscuta is a stem parasite. Next question, Cuscuta is a stem parasite. Yes. Likhit Mahesh is saying stem parasite. Avinesh Kumar is saying stem parasite. Stem parasite is a right answer. Okay. But now we know that Cuscuta is a stem parasite. It is total stem parasite or partial stem parasite? Total stem parasite or partial stem parasite? Give me the answer, please. Now we all know that Cuscuta is a stem parasite. So it is total stem parasite or partial stem parasite. Okay. So Cuscuta is a total stem parasite. Cuscuta is a total stem parasite. Okay, what is the meaning of total stem parasite, guys? Total, some are saying partial, no. It is a total stem parasite, guys. Cuscuta is a total stem parasite. What is the meaning of total stem parasite, guys? Suppose we have a plant, and this is the root of the plant, and this is the stem. Cuscuta insert their root into the stem of another plant and absorb their prepared food, and they grow. Okay. They do not perform photosynthesis. They are totally dependent on stems of another plant. Okay. So it is called total stem parasite. They are totally dependent on stems of another plant. So it is total stem parasite. Okay, guys. It is a total stem parasite. Okay. Now, next parasitic plant is Santalum. Santalum means chandan. Okay. Santalum is also a parasitic plant, guys. Tell me, it is a stem parasite or root parasite? Okay. Tantalum is also a parasitic plant. It is root parasite or stem parasite. Give me your responses, please. So, as we all know that Tantalum is a root parasite. Tantalum is a root parasite. Okay. Total root parasite or partial root parasite. So it is partial. It is partial root parasite. It is a partial root parasite. So Tantalum insert their root into the roots of another plants and absorb their minerals and water. Okay, minerals and water. They also perform their own photosynthesis. They also absorb their own water, but they also absorb some water from other roots of another plants. So they are partially dependent on another plants. So it is a partial root parasite. Okay guys, partial root parasite. Okay, yes. Abhi Mehta is saying partial root parasite. Okay, okay. Now, as we know that heterotrophic plants are of two types, parasitic plants and second one is insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants, which is also known as carnivorous plants. Carnivorous plants. They can eat insects also. So heterotrophic plants are of two types. First one is parasitic plants and another type is insectivorous plants or carnivorous plants. So question can be asked from here is that which of the following is a insectivorous plants or carnivorous plants? So we are going to write some examples of insectivorous plants. So examples of insectivorous plants is Nepenthes, which is also known as pitcher plant. Pitcher plant. This is the scientific name and this is the common name. Okay. Next one is Utricularia. And this plant is also known as bladderwort. Okay. So they also eat insects. And third one is Drosera, also known as sundew. And fourth plant is Dionia, which is also known as Venus fly trap. The question is this: how they are eating, why they are eating insects? Okay. Cuscuta cannot perform photosynthesis. That's why it is totally dependent on a stem of another plant. So it is total stem parasite because it is totally dependent on another plants for their food. Okay. So Cuscuta, Singh Aditya, Cuscuta cannot perform photosynthesis. Okay. Yes, these plants are grow in nitrogen deficient soil, है ना? Nitrogen deficient soil, and we know that nitrogen is necessary for plants. Okay, so these plants are growing, that is insectivorous plants are grow in nitrogen deficient soil. So to fulfill their nitrogen deficiency, they eat insects. Okay. So question can be asked from here is that insectivorous plants grow in nitrogen deficient soil. Okay. Saurabh Sharma is saying less nitrogen in soil. Absolutely right answer, guys. Okay. These plants have digestive capacity. No. Nitrogen, to get nitrogen. Yes. Vishal Datta is saying to get nitrogen. Yes. So guys, this is all about your plant nutrition. This is all about your plant nutrition. Thank you very much, guys. If you have still any doubt, you can ask, guys. To get protein from insects, to get nitrogen, okay, and nitrogen is necessary for the formation of amino acids, and polymer of amino acid is protein. Okay. Okay. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much again.